Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to see unsent messages on your messenger. So to start, we'll have to go first on my messenger account, and then here let's open a convo, and as you can see here, I have messages here that my friend unsent it to me. So to see that, let's go first on the three bar button at the top, and then here let's tap on settings, and then let's look for the notification and sounds. And then here, let's make sure that this notification previews is turned on. After that, let's go to the phone settings. So here, let's just tap on that. So here in the phone settings, let's look for the apps option. And then here, let's tap on manage apps. And then on the search bar, let's type here messenger. So here on the app settings, let's look for the notifications option. And then here, scroll down and you'll see that there is a chats option, calls, admin, stories, reminders, and others. If you tap on these chats, you'll see here all the unsent messages of your friends. So that's how you see unsent messages on your messenger. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.